You ready? What's this? Is this yours? Oh my, what is it? Oh look! It's your motto! It's even got your name on it. Aww. Oh, look at him. Oh, yeah, we like him. Don't get him dirty. Molly says, is there nothing in there for me? Salem, come here. Look at him. Chilling in the shade. Don't you get him too dirty. Let's see what else is in here. What's this? Oh my gosh. That's a giant Schlimpy. Look, Salem. Do you want him? Yeah. Oh, Molly's gonna get him. What else have we got? Oh, wow. Oh, sorry. See Molly's bum. Should we give him to Salem? Can I have him? No, I want him. Do you want this one? This one's pink. Look, this one's pink, Molly. Look, here. Just do a swap. Doo-doo. Yeah, what's this? Oh, what is it? I'm really gonna have to wait for his. His is a little blue one. They're so cute. Sam's like, I don't know. It's gonna get dirty. Harley is very content with his. Oh, is Molly getting too close? Is it too hot out here? It's pretty hot out here. Let's go inside, Salem. Should we bring him inside? Come on, got a shrimpy. So where did my matto go? Oh my gosh, I've lost my matto. Oh, it doesn't matter. You like it, Harley? Oh yeah. But what about your matto? He's getting sad. Your matto's sad. Uh-oh, now what are you gonna do? Sad matto. Gotta kill that whippy. That's okay, matto. What about the giant one? Oh my gosh, he's big, isn't he?
Lucy, what are you doing?
I'm having fun, Dad.
You're making a fool of yourself.
You're not making a fool of yourself. Woo!
Lucy, get down now.
Ow! Ow!
Darling,
Too many to choose from.
I thought she'd only had one drink.
She did?
How did she get in that state then?
When I'm watching,
Salem.
I'm actually quite competitive. I like my children to win.
Oh, Salem tail. What's this?
Yeah, I don't think I've been to a single sports day in
Wimpy.
years, yeah. But one of them has ended up in Pleasant Years.
I've got two daughters here. I wouldn't say they're massively competitive, but they go out and enjoy themselves, and that for me is the main thing.
Come on! Go, 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 go! Yes! Go, go!
Competition and fixtures between schools going down this year, and it's the things like the training that they provided. So it wasn't just that, oh, you organise a competition for kids and that's it. What you're trying to do is, you're trying to improve the standard of teaching, improve the knowledge of teachers, whether it be primary school, secondary school, so that they're empowered to go and do it themselves.
It is an ideological balancing act. Labour's old school sport model, says the government, was run from the top down. so they decided to start again. They kept more or less the same budget,